This is a video demonstration for our Orlando Affordable Housing website. We are Team 1 and we were tasked with developing the front end of the project. Um, it's an Angular project that uses the ArcGIS API for JavaScript for our map service. And we have 4 main components: the home page, the search page, about, and contact pages. Which are visible here on the header navigation menu. So I'll start with the home page here. There's a call to action with a banner image and the search bar that prompts the user to begin their search for properties. They can search by address or neighborhood, and each selection offers an autocomplete list of addresses or neighborhoods that's pulled from our dummy database. So I'll demonstrate that. These are the addresses currently in our database, and they toggle to the neighborhood selection. There's a list of local neighborhoods. Also on this page is a featured housing section. It's a table that will display the top most affordable housing in our database with links to the property details page. Right now, we only have a short list of properties in our dummy database, but as the data expand, this section will be more meaningful. Below that is a quick stat section that will display quick statistics about our data, average rents, average utility, energy ratings, and the number of participating properties. There's some tips for how to find affordable housing and some highlights of our tools features, the footer navigation menu, and the terms and conditions page. The language here was inspired and adapted by the language on the City of Orlando site, as well as the Valencia College website. And it's, of course, subject for review and change. We'll go back to the home page. And again, on this table, there are active links for the property details page. So I'll click on one of these, and you're taken to this page that has more details about the property, this ArcGIS map that displays the property marker color-coded by its energy efficiency rating. If you click on that marker, you'll get a pop-up window with details about that property and images. And below that, you can scroll through those property images. And again, all of this is linked to the dummy data that we have in our database. So I'll get back to that home page, and now we'll go to the search page. So on this search page, there's that ArcGIS map again, this time populated with all of the markers representing the properties in our database. And you can filter through those properties using one of 3 search options. There's a search by text, which is what we have on the home page. But you can also search by energy rating and utility cost. Right now, only the search by text function, only the search by text is functional. So what it does, it filters both the map markers and the table by the user entry. So I'll just type in BEN, and you'll see that the marker selection has been reduced to these 2 properties that both contain that BEN string in either their address or their neighborhood columns. So you can also search by neighborhood. If I wanted something in College Park, I could type that in, and we've got the single item on the table and the single marker here. So again, that is the only functional search option, but feature developers can use the code and the logic applied to this and apply it to these checkboxes. And there's the About section, which is just a template that future students can build on. There are a lot of details yet to be sorted out for the project, so completing this will be a task for future classes once a lot of those are worked out. The same goes for the contact page. We have the foundation here, but details will need to be sorted out with the project stakeholders. And that is our project. It's well documented with links and descriptions and notes within the GitHub page and within the project itself. So good luck to future developers, and thank you for the opportunity to work on this.